Hi everyone. So today I would like to introduce you a new tool. I think if you like editing photo, you will like this application. It also available not only the Android but also the iOS. So I will show you. So yeah, please make sure that you have updated your Android version, and I will introduce you about the Snapseed photo editing tool that developed by Google. So let's go. You have to show you Snapseed. Yep. So make sure that you have installed it on your phone. So actually I already installed. So it's really simple interface here. Yeah, they have a lot of filter. Yeah, they have actually a completely and professional photo editor app that developed by Google. It's free usage, so no need to pay money, so you can download it, install it. And some key feature, they have almost like 29 tool and filter like healing, brush structure, and also HDR feature, and also it support the image JPG and also raw file. Yeah, raw file you can edit as well, and also you can save it your personal log and you can use it later. Yeah, it's support like here. Yes, this is my previous edit and I just use it, and if okay, edit it. Yeah, so make sure that you have opened the your photo. So here this is the light tool, like portrait, yeah, or smooth or buff off, yeah, morning and bright, and also like brush. Yeah, it is existing tool they have. If you prefer which one, just tick it. Yeah, and also this is a lot of tool, a pro tool, and fast, and also fast and easy to edit, like tune image. You just click like this. Yeah, you can have it. See, yeah, and also shadow. Yeah, and if you want like auto adjust it, also they have available. And the tool curve and detail and HDR landscape for like this. Yeah, they have a lot too. Yeah, and also frame, and also you would like to prefer the text. Yeah, you can edit, put it text as well. Yeah, and you can adjust the type of font and color, the color of the text. Yep. And that tool, yeah, you can check it, a lot of tool here. Yep, they have a specific function, you can try it on. And also this feature, you can export it and see it into your instantly, like Facebook chat, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Launch, or your local application, and also save it and export it as a JPG, and also export it to as a copy. Yeah. Okay, I think it's short, and you can try it out by yourself, and I hope you will love it. The tool is very useful, and a lot of I use it a lot of, as also not only for beginner but also for professional, they use it. Yeah, please check it out, and if you think this video is helpful for you, please like and share it. And if you have any comment or question about this tool, or would like to share with me about its feature more than I described, please comment it below. So for the app link to Android and iOS, I will put it in the description. Please check it below. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching.